This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to format cells and use predefined cell styles available in Excel. To apply several formats in one step and to make sure that cells have consistent formatting, you can use a cell style. A cell style is a defined set of formatting characteristics such as fonts and font sizes, and number formats, cell borders, and cell shading. To prevent anyone from making changes to specific cells, you can also use a cell style that selects cells. Select the cells that you want to format. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click the More drop-down arrow in the Style gallery. Excel has several built-in cell styles that you can apply or modify. You can also modify or duplicate a cell style to create your own custom cell style. You can use good, bad, and neutral styles. Data and model styles like calculation, checking, explanatory, and so on. Titles and heading styles. Themed cell styles. Also, you can format number in the cell, for example, at thousand separator, dollar sign, Persian sign, or so on. If you want to make your special cell style, you can do that by selecting New Cell Style. In the Style name box, type an appropriate name for the new cell style. I choose New Style 1 for its name. Select Format on the various tabs in the Format Cells dialog box. Select the formatting that you want. I select Date for Number format. On the Alignment tab, I change text orientation. Choose Italic for its font style and increase its font size. I want to change its border style using a thicker outline. I fill it with glow color. Back in this style dialog box, on the style includes, clear the checkboxes for any formatting that you do not want to include in the cell style. For instance, I clear word style that was chosen. Select the format that you define and you can see the result. If you want to make the cell styles that you create in or copy into a workbook available in all future workbooks, you can save them in a template that is used for all new workbooks. After you exit and restart Excel, the cell styles that you saved in your template workbook will be available in all new workbooks that you create. In the Merge Style dialog box, in the Merge Styles from box, click the workbook that contains the styles that you want to copy. For example, I selected book 1 to copy the format that I defined and then click OK. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.